Good morning, San Diego. It's day 3 of open house. We're still at the Thor booth there. The momentum's in the background. Beautiful day here. Beautiful day. We're gonna head over to Thor. I guess Bob Martin, the president of Thor, is giving a speech, so we're gonna see what's going on with that. Gonna hit up Winnebago mid-morning. Should hit up Brinkley right around lunch. And then we'll see what the rest of the day has in store. Looking forward to another great day. Right on, folks. So we just hit up the Thor speech with Bob Martin. Cool dude, eh, Brendan?
Very cool guy.
Yeah, big fella, almost as big as you.
Almost.
Yeah, right on. But we're here at Winnebago now. Going to check out some of their new stuff and hit up Brinkley here later this afternoon. We'll do some quick vids. See ya.
How's it going, everyone? We just had a sneak peek at some brand new Brinkley floor plans, and we also did a walk through the plant. There's some really cool things going on here.
It's a simple thing, but they have their plant AC, so their workers are comfortable, they do better work, they're less tired. It's a super clean plant, and yeah, there's gonna be a day soon where we can release a new model to you guys, and that thing is gonna light it up.
They take 3 weeks to put out a Model G, where a lot of other manufacturers only take a few days.
Right on, right on. See you guys soon.